make cleaning easy with my top favorite cleaning products. I'm gonna get right into it here. These products are my must-have cleaning products to keep my house clean in the most efficient, quick, and the safest possible way. So first up, I cannot not mention my all-time fave, these Clorox wipes. I also do like the Lysol wipes as well, but I really love that they are disinfecting, so that I just know for a fact that things are being disinfected, especially when handling the bathroom and the toilets. I just really want to make sure that it is as clean as possible in there. And then especially after having poultry, meat, eggs, any of that in the kitchen, I want to make sure it is completely clean and safe so we're not getting sick. So these are really great for that. Also, they're really tough on anything caked on, grease. I've also used them in the shower before for the soap scum. It actually works really good for that. So if you are in a pinch, I do recommend that. Also, next up in the Clorox category is the Clorox Bathroom Spray. This one is the bleach free, so it's not going to get your clothes messed up, your rugs, towels, anything like that. So it's really nice that way. This one also foams, which I feel like helps really get all of the gunk up, and it kills 99.9% of the germs. So I really just love knowing that my shower stays nice disinfected, and it also gets up that nasty soap scum. We have a lot of hard water here where we live, and this stuff really works well. Let it sit for a while and everything, and then go in and scrub it, and this does the trick. I also have heard so many people raving about the Barkeeper's Friend, so I will be trying that once this guy runs out, but I am going to wait because there's still quite a bit in here and I do love it. So, and you can use it on the tubs and tiles, toilets, sinks, and counters as well. I really just use it in the tubs, or I don't use it in my son's tub, I just use it in our tile shower, and it works wonders. I will link the video below. Next is my Mrs. Meyers MultiSurface Spray. This stuff, I would have never tried it had I not started watching cleaning videos on YouTube, and everybody uses this stuff, and I get it. It smells amazing. It really just puts you in a great mood to clean. It gets you excited about cleaning with all the different scents that they have. And not only that, but it actually does an amazing job cleaning. I love using this on my counters, on my son's high chair, on our stove, the fridge, everywhere, the cabinets. I love this stuff. It also is really good. I like it on our entertainment center, and surprisingly enough, it works amazing on the interior of my car. It looks like when I'm done wiping it up, it looks as though I had it professionally detailed. It has that nice shiny look to it. All the dust is gone. It's amazing on gunk. The trick that I found with this stuff though is if there is, like on the stove, if there's stuff like caked on, food, whatever from cooking, you just kind of soak it and then let it sit for like 5-10 minutes. Go and wipe it up like a dream. It's amazing. They have so many different scents. I've only used the lemon Verbana so far, and I do really love it, but I am wanting to get the peony scent, and I saw that my Target has it finally, so or the mint one. Oh, the mint one smells so fresh, but it makes it fun and exciting for cleaning, which is always a plus because, let's be honest, it's not the funnest. Along with the Mrs. Meyers, I really love the dish soap. And my favorite scent right now is the Honeysuckle, and I want to try the lilac too because I think that one would be really good for the dishes for summer, nice and spring. But this is an amazing summer scent as well, but I really liked it in the winter too because it just kept things nice and bright, kept me in a good mood, and a little goes a long way. So you're thinking probably like the 16 fluid ounces isn't going to go very long compared to my other brands. That is not the case. A little really goes a long way. You don't have to use a ton of it, and it really gets the grease up. It is really competitive against the other ones, and I actually prefer it. I feel like it performs much better. It smells amazing, and I know that it's safe, so I can use it on my baby bottles, sippy cups, pump parts, all of that, which is a plus, so I don't have to buy different kinds of soap that I was doing before. Amazing. I cannot do a products video without the holy grail, Okay, just some Arm & Hammer baking soda. This has an endless amount of uses. Pinterest it. I mean, you will find anything under the sun, from skincare, your teeth, deodorizing, like everything. And I love using it in my sink because I do have a stainless steel sink, and whenever I just feel like it's looking gunky, kind of stained, because it ain't stainless like it says, but I sprinkle the baking soda in the sink, and then I spray it with either vinegar water or some kind of other like soapy spray, and then just kind of let it do its thing for a minute, let it sit, and then I scrub it with my sponge, and it looks so shiny after. So and like I said, we have the hard water and the calcium buildup. This stuff works. You can also sprinkle it in your carpet. This is really great if you have dogs or cats, or just messy children. You just sprinkle it in your carpet, let it sit for a little bit, and then vacuum it up, and it deodorizes and cleans your carpet. So really, really good. And of course it's amazing paired with your vinegar. Now we just have this giant jug of white distilled vinegar. This is only the 5% acidity, and I feel that it works amazing. I never used vinegar before because I hated the way it smells, but after it dries, it doesn't smell, and it actually gets rid of any other odors. So as you can imagine, paired with the baking soda, it is a dream. Now you can get the cleaning specific vinegar, and that will do more. I don't really need it, but if you do, go ahead and do that, because it is for cleaning. It's more acidity, and it's going to pick up the dirt more, it's going to disinfect more, and all of that. I love pairing my distilled vinegar with water and essential oils. Citrus, like I've said before, is my favorite, but you can use any of the essential oils of your liking. Look it up on Pinterest and you'll get some amazing ideas. Ooh, why did I open that? But I loved using this on my floors in the summer. We had a swamp cooler and there was a lot of fires happening in our area, and all of that disgusting smoke in the air was being pulled into our house. We have like linoleum or whatever, the fake wood floors, and the grooves in it, I would mop the floor and I would walk around the house and my feet would be completely black on the bottom. Disgusting, but it was the truth. And I would mop these floors every dang day and sweep them and vacuum them, and no matter what I did, they were still black. Black, no matter what I did. And I then looked it up, and I have a steam mop. So I filled the steam mop up with water and then just put a splash of the vinegar in there. And ever since I've done that, I have not had black feet. I have not had that issue at all. It picked it up so well mixed with the steam mop, and I will never go back. But I love using like the vinegar and essential oil spray for my son's bathtub because it's safe. I know that vinegar is disinfecting and there's not much soap scum in there anyways because it's just him. So I really love that for the kids' bathroom. The vinegar and essential oil spray for my son's bathtub because it's safe. I know that vinegar is disinfecting and there's not much soap scum in there anyways because it's just him. So I really love that for the kids' bathroom. And then of course, Windex is a must-have product. I don't have a favorite brand or anything right now. The one I have is ammonia-free, which is a must, but I don't have a favorite brand right now, and I do want to branch out. I am also on the hunt for a good stainless steel cleaner. I do have a DIY spray video linked below. That one that I used does do a pretty good job on them, but it doesn't last very long, as I'm finding with every cleaner. So if you have a favorite stainless steel appliance cleaner, let me know below, please and thank you. Okay, a kind of a random product, but it has been a game changer. So of course, our little son, he's 1 year old and he is walking now and he wants to put his hands on everything. Who else is with me here? Okay, let me know. I'm sure all of you. We tried everything. We had the Clorox wipes, we had microfiber cloths, we had special cleaners for the TV. And no matter what we did, it just would smudge it even more. Then my boyfriend bought, because he was so mad one day thinking our son ruined his TV, so he went on Amazon and he found this eye cloth. This stuff is amazing. Our TV looks brand new. You cannot see one single smudge, and that was just after one use. So I will just read this here. It comes with 10 wipes. You can find this on Amazon. It's an XL cleaner, it says. You can use it on any like windows, mirrors, TVs, anything like that. Let's see, it says plus 200 million surfaces cleaned, over 100 million customers, 100s of uses, it says. It's 5-star experience, empty box guarantee. For best results, remove surface abrasives, then gently wipe clean, flip the eye cloth, and repeat if necessary. It contains purified water, isopropyl alcohol, which is just rubbing alcohol, and proprietary additives. I don't know what those additives are, but it's amazing, and it sounds like it's pretty safe. But yeah, I think this stuff is amazing. Our TV looks great. We have giant windows that face the TV, so you can see every smudge. I cannot find one single smudge. Check the eye cloth out. And a new item that I am just trying out, because I'm sure if you go to Target, you will see a giant display of all of these items, and I was all over it. It is the brand Everspring. And they are an all-purpose cleaner. I got the citrus and basil scent, which is heavenly. It might replace the lemon Verbana right now, because I'm trying this out to see how I like it. It doesn't smell as clean, like chemically wise, as the Mrs. Meyers, so I probably still would recommend that over the Evergreen so far, but I do like it, and I love how much comes in here. It's 28 fluid ounces. It was only like $2.99, I believe, and it smells so good. It cuts grease and grime, which I can attest to. My stove is sparkling just as normal, but it's 91 bio-based products, not tested on animals. Why would you test cleaning products on animals? And it's biodegradable formula. It's non-toxic, ammonia-free, and 100% natural fragrance, which I love. So I totally recommend this. They have a ton of different variety of cleaning products within this brand, and I like it. I think it says it's distributed by Target Corporation, so I think it is Target's brand, but check it out. See for yourself. Let me know if you've tried it already. Yeah, I like it so far. So those are my top favorite cleaning products of right now, which is May 2019, and I'm sure that will change, and I am going to do another video of my favorite tools that you must have to keep a clean home in the most efficient way possible. If you are new here, please subscribe, and if you would like to be notified of any future uploads of mine, click the bell as well, and you will be notified.